Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. Today we will be discussing a bit about AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate, also known as SaaC02 course. We will be explaining you about the various categories in which the further videos will be divided and the classifications of them. An important part of learning journey is the personalization of your learning experience. In this video, we will present our certification contents in what we have determined to be the certification path for better understanding. The certification path will consist of a primary certification course in target that will allow you to mastery of the required knowledge and skills to start your certification preparation and put you on the quickest path to obtain the certification. We have designed this course to support learners in looking to gain that foundational knowledge or to deep dive into additional learnings on specific topics. We will also be supporting courses, documents, etc. in addition to the certification path. Supporting courses will be aimed to provide a expanded depth and breadth of coverage on topics covered in the certification course. This also helps to put you in control so that you take the content that is relevant to your learning journey. For more information on the supporting courses related to this certification course, please see the description in the resources section of this video. Thank you and keep being awesome. For, for this journey, we have classified the SaaC02 course into mainly 6 primary modules: designing solutions, compute and networking, storage and databases, high availability and scalability, AWS services, security and accesses. Now moving on to designing solutions. Here we will be discussing about AWS fundamentals. We will also be discussing about monitoring workflows, big data serverless computing, hosting applications, etc. Data migration also comes under these topics, where we will be discussing about migrating data with AWS S now family, storage gateway, AWS data sync, AWS transfer families and all. Now on to computer networking. Here we will be discussing about virtual private cloud, aka VPC networking. We will also be discussing about Route 53, registering domain names, routing policies, etc. Load balancers like classic load balancer, elastic load balancers will also be discussed here. Now on to storage and databases. Here we will be discussing about relational database services, increasing read performance while read replicas, Amazon Aurora and DynamoDB, simple storage services also called S3 storage, elastic compute cloud aka EC2, elastic block storage and elastic file storage like EBS and EFS will be also discussed in these sections. Now on to high availability and scalability. Here we will be discussing about horizontal scaling, vertical scaling and difference between horizontal and vertical scalings. Scaling relational databases, scaling non-relational databases, high availability and scaling and other computings and all will be also discussed here. Now for AWS services. Here we will be discussing about various services that AWS provides like automation in form of uh, cloud formation, elastic beanstalks, etc. Caching, caching overview, global caching with CloudFront, fixing IP caching with global accelerators and all. So we will be discussing about them in AWS services. Now on to security and accesses. Here we will be discussing about identity and access managements like DDoS overview, CloudTrail, filtering traffic with AWS, guarding your network with Guard Duty, monitoring S3 buckets with Amazon Macie, storing of secrets in secrets manager, advanced IAM policies, AWS certification, certificate managers, etc. We will also discuss about managing accounts within organizations, sharing resources with AWS, using AWS budgets, exploring with Cost Explorer, auditing with trusted advisors and all. So yeah, by the end of this video sessions, we will also be discussing about various sample questions related to exams and also few tips that will be helpful for exam preparations. Those will be covered in either separate videos or uh, will be incorporated in the coming videos as and when required. So thank you for watching this video and we will see you next time.